Welcome to our in-depth review of Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa, a luxurious adults-only paradise nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic. This all-inclusive resort offers a vibrant and contemporary experience that's perfect for those seeking a lively getaway. Let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination for adult travelers. First, let's talk about the accommodations. Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa offers a range of luxurious suites designed to cater to every taste and preference. The standard suites are a testament to modern comfort, featuring private balconies where you can soak in the tropical atmosphere, hot tubs for ultimate relaxation, and all the amenities you'd expect from a high-end resort. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in the Caribbean heat, flat-screen TVs for your entertainment needs, and coffee makers for that essential morning brew. The bathrooms are a particular highlight, with double vanities and free toiletries that add a touch of luxury to your daily routine. But if you're looking to elevate your stay even further, the Hale Club Suites are where it's at. These suites take luxury to the next level with additional amenities that will make you feel like royalty. Imagine having your own personal butler at your beck and call, ready to cater to your every whim. The aromatherapy options in these suites are a nice touch, allowing you to customize your room's scent for the ultimate relaxation experience. And let's not forget the priority room service, because who wants to wait when you're on vacation? The Hale Club Suites offer either a king-size bed for couples or 2 double beds, perfect for friends traveling together, and they come with panoramic views that will take your breath away. One of the standout features of all the rooms at Breathless Punta Cana is the use of modern technology. Each room comes equipped with a tablet that allows you to access hotel services at the touch of a button. Whether you want to order room service, book a spa treatment, or find out what activities are happening around the resort, it's all at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the Wi-Fi access through the resort app, because let's face it, even in paradise, we still need to stay connected. Now, let's move on to the culinary delights that await you at Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa. With 9 restaurants to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. While the specific names and cuisines of each restaurant aren't detailed, you can bet that there's something to satisfy every craving. From international flavors to local Dominican specialties, the variety is sure to keep your dining experiences exciting throughout your stay. Imagine starting your day with a hearty breakfast buffet, enjoying a light lunch by the pool, and then dressing up for a romantic dinner at one of the a la carte restaurants. But the culinary journey doesn't stop at the restaurants. Breathless Punta Cana boasts 8 bar lounges, each offering its own unique atmosphere and drink menu. Whether you're in the mood for a tropical cocktail by the beach, a sophisticated wine-tasting experience, or a nightcap before bed, there's a bar to suit your mood. And for those who like to dance the night away, the resort's nightclub is the place to be. Picture yourself sipping on expertly crafted cocktails, mingling with other guests, and dancing to the latest hits, all without ever leaving the resort. One of the best things about the all-inclusive nature of Breathless Punta Cana is that you don't have to worry about meal times or bar tabs. You can indulge to your heart's content, trying different restaurants and bars each day of your stay. And while specific menu highlights aren't provided, you can expect fresh, high-quality ingredients and dishes prepared with care by skilled chefs. The resort often hosts themed nights and special culinary events, adding an extra layer of excitement to your dining experiences. When it comes to cooling off and soaking up the sun, Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa has you covered with its impressive pool facilities. The resort boasts 6 swimming pools, giving you plenty of options for where to take a dip or lounge poolside. While the specific sizes and depths of the pools aren't detailed, you can imagine a variety of settings, from lively pools with swim-up bars perfect for socializing, to quieter pools ideal for a peaceful afternoon of reading and relaxation. In addition to the main pools, there are 2 outdoor hot tubs where you can unwind and let the warm, bubbling water soothe your muscles after a day of activities. The pool areas are likely dotted with comfortable loungers and umbrellas, allowing you to soak up the sun or find shade as you prefer. And while specific poolside services aren't mentioned, it's common for resorts of this caliber to offer amenities like towel service, poolside drink and food service, and perhaps even pool butlers to cater to your needs. But let's not forget about the beach. Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa is situated right on the beachfront, giving you direct access to the stunning Caribbean coastline. While details about the specific beach type aren't provided, you can imagine soft, white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, with crystal-clear turquoise waters lapping at the shore. The resort likely offers beach loungers and umbrellas for guests, allowing you to set up your own little piece of paradise for the day. For those who love water activities, the resort offers various options to keep you entertained. While specific water sports aren't detailed, it's common for resorts in this area to offer activities like snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and perhaps even motorized water sports for an additional fee. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, looking for some excitement on the waves, or prefer a more leisurely paddle along the shoreline, there's likely something to suit your taste. The beach service at Breathless Punta Cana includes drink and lunch service, allowing you to enjoy refreshing cocktails and delicious meals without ever having to leave your spot on the sand. Imagine sipping on a piña colada as you watch the waves roll in, or enjoying a fresh seafood lunch with your toes in the sand. That's the kind of beach day you can expect at this resort. When it comes to activities and recreation, Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa offers a wide array of options to keep you entertained throughout your stay. The resort boasts a 24-hour fitness center, perfect for those who like to maintain their workout routine even while on vacation. While specific equipment details aren't provided, you can expect a well-equipped gym with cardio machines, weight training equipment, and possibly even a space for group fitness classes. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the resort likely offers various sports facilities. While not explicitly mentioned, many resorts in this category provide amenities like tennis courts, basketball courts, and perhaps even a golf course nearby. You might find yourself starting your day with a game of tennis, followed by a refreshing dip in one of the pools. The spa at Breathless Punta Cana is another highlight of the resort, offering a range of treatments to help you relax and rejuvenate. While specific treatment types aren't detailed, you can imagine a menu of services including massages, facials, body wraps, and perhaps even couples treatment for those on a romantic getaway. The spa facilities likely include amenities like a sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas where you can unwind before or after your treatments. For those seeking entertainment, the resort doesn't disappoint. There's an indoor theater where you can enjoy live performances and shows, adding a touch of cultural flair to your evenings. And if you're feeling lucky, the on-site casino offers a chance to try your hand at various games of chance. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or just looking for a fun night out, the casino adds another layer of excitement to your stay. During the day, the resort likely offers a variety of activities to keep you engaged. This could include things like cooking classes, dance lessons, language classes, or even local craft workshops. While specific details aren't provided, it's common for resorts of this caliber to offer a daily schedule of activities that cater to different interests and energy levels. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.